Hello, welcome to Scale Logic Tech Tips. When trying to move or copy a file to an SMB share on a Mac running Tahoe, you may have encountered an 8062 error. This error is caused by .ds store files in the folder or subfolders you are trying to move or copy. To fix this, you can create an Automator quick action that copies a folder and its subfolders without metadata. To do this, open Automator, select Quick Action, and click on Choose. Select Files or Folders for Workflow Receives and Finder for In. Scroll down and select Run Shell Script. Drag it into the workflow. For pass input, select as arguments. Copy and paste the script in the description into the Run Shell Script box. Save as something like copy without metadata. Now try clicking the right mouse button on the folder you were trying to move or copy. Go down to Quick Actions in the menu and select Copy without metadata. When the Finder icon starts bouncing, click on it and navigate where you want to move or copy your folder to. It should have copied with no warning. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to Scale Logic Tech Tips to be alerted about new videos.